Yes. So in this quick video, I'm going to touch upon the differences between climate and weather. Both of these things have to do with the environmental conditions of an area. Environmental conditions such as temperature or precipitation, how wet it is, right? Sunlight availability. Okay, so both climate and weather have to do with this same overarching idea of what it's like around you in the environment. The difference is that climate is a persistent long-term description of an area's conditions. Right? So an example of a climate would be the Arctic. The Arctic is always cold. Right? It's not like it's Tuesday, it's cold. It's like it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's cold. December, it's cold. January, it's cold. February, it's cold. August is cold, right? And so the climate of the Arctic is cold. The Arctic is also technically a desert, right? It has very low precipitation levels. And so another example of a climate would be desert. Desert is a climate, right? Defined specifically by precipitation levels. So when you think of a desert, it's typically hot, right? Or at nighttime, it's really, really cold. And that's all due entirely to the low levels of precipitation that it receives. It doesn't rain much in the desert. And so those climate factors impact the living things that you find in those climates, right? Long-term patterns of conditions. Whereas weather is a more day-to-day thing, right? And so it would be things like rainstorms. It could be raining today, it might not be raining tomorrow. Those are weather things. There are extreme weather instances like hurricanes and tornadoes. Those are all examples of weather, day-to-day changes in the environment specific to that day, or rather that little time frame. Obviously, there's an intimate link between the two. Right? Effectively, climate is the accumulation of the average weather conditions in an area over the course of time. So yeah, that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Bye.